welcome to our channel, Swaswana and Ran. Today we are making a rainbow snow. Today, are you guys all ready? Okay.
Kids, for this we need a globe and a shovel, and the cylinder,
and the shovel,
and the powder that we got it from kit,
and this one,
and then the colors we are going to take. Let's go into the video. So we are taking a shovel full of powder in a jar. Ron, how will you get the red color?
So a magenta and yellow.
And yellow. Okay. Can you please add 3 drops of
Red.
magenta?
Okay.
Add 5 drops. And 5 drops of yellow ink.
Yellow ink. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Stir it. Okay. So now Ron will mix the water in this powder. It will, within a second, it will change the color, change the powder to a
Whoa! How see it?
See? Oh.
It will come out.
No.
I want to check.
How it got changed?
I want to touch it.
How can you touch? Don't touch it like that. Okay, let it be.
Let's
Do?
Just put a 9 drops of yellow and put one
Magenta.
Magenta.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go on the video. Let's put in.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. And
1 of drop. Whoa! Look at that.
yeah. Stir it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now add.
Add it. 4. Yellow.
Became red and
Orange.
orange.
I love it. Look at this rainbow color. And yellow.
So I just poured the powder and Ron will mix the color. So which color, Ronnie?
So red. No, yellow. So yellow.
Okay.
So put 5 or anything.
It's okay, 3 drops.
Otherwise 3 drops or yellow or anything or any numbers. Guys, you can do this experiment at your home while on rainbow.
Red, orange and yellow.
So where's orange then?
Now we just pour the powder. Now Ron is making green color with 5 drops of cyan color. And 5 drops of yellow color.
Wait, 1,
5 drops. 3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
5.
5. Okay. And 5 drops of yellow color.
5 drops of yellow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That
Got turned to green color.
and blue and purple. How to make purple? It is tall. How to do it?
Just,
Blue.
it just became solid now. Red, orange, yellow and green.
And blue and purple. Okay, guys. Okay. Look, blue. Ready?
9 drops of cyan color.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. And 1 drop of magenta gives you
Blue.
okay.
Look, check it.
Okay. Enough. So this is how we made a rainbow snow. We got all the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. So we are done with this. So we made the rainbow snow with this kit, and the kit name is the Crayola color chemistry. We can make 50 experiments and powder. It's called color chemistry, and the colors